This is the all-new Boya Mini 2. It's a super mini wireless microphone with built-in AI noise cancellation. And it's by far one of my favorite wireless lavalier microphones because it mixes power with portability. And I'm actually recording this whole video using the Boya Mini 2 right here attached to my shirt, so you can get an idea of how great this sound is, especially when you consider the price and the size of this device. We'll talk more about that in a little bit. Full disclosure, Boya sent me over the Boya Mini 2 for review, but they have no editorial input in this review, nor are they seeing this video before it goes live. You're seeing it the same time they are. Let's talk about what you get inside the box. You pretty much get everything you're gonna need: a quick start guide, USB-C to USB Type-A charging cable, the Boya Mini 2 charging case with the 2 included microphones, and even a carrying sleeve so you can easily throw in the Boya Mini 2 right inside and have some additional protection as well. This version that I have also comes with 2 transmitters, a USB-C transmitter and a Lightning transmitter. So depending on the phone you're using, you have that covered as well. Now the design of the Boya Mini 2 is really impressive. I mentioned before how compact these little microphones are, but the charging case also is very compact and easy to carry around. It's lightweight. It's similar in size to the AirPods Pro charging case, but it's much lighter, so you can easily throw this into your pocket and carry it around with you. Boya says you can get up to 6 hours of battery life on each microphone, and with the charging case you can get up to 30 hours of battery life. Now you have a couple of colors to choose from. You have a matte black color and a lunar silver. Lunar silver is really nice. I have both of them here. It has this reflective glow, this shine to it, and I think it looks much cooler than the regular matte black color. But keep in mind, because it's so shiny, this thing is a fingerprint magnet. So if you want something cool, but you hate fingerprints, you might prefer to go with the matte black color. But if you just don't care and you just want the coolest looking color, the lunar silver is definitely something to check out. Now this little microphone is impressive because of all the built-in features you get with the Boya Mini 2. It makes your life as a content creator so much easier. You'll need to download the Boya Central app to really take advantage of all those features, and it's available on the Apple App Store or the Google Play Store. But once you do, you have so many features right at your fingertips. Like I mentioned before, Boya was somehow able to get AI noise cancellation into such a small package. In the app, you can change things like the gain, noise cancellation on or off, noise cancellation level. There's a strong, which is minus 40 dB, and a weak, which is minus 15 dB. And that's, from such a small package, it's impressive to see the power that it has packed inside. Here are some tests that I ran with the noise cancellation so you can kind of get an idea of how good it actually is. Okay, so I have the Boya Mini 2 connected on my shirt here, and I'm going to turn on my air conditioner. That way it can have some background noise and give you an idea of how good the noise cancellation in this Boya Mini 2 actually is. So let's go ahead and turn on the air conditioner. And I'm guessing you can probably hear that. Okay, now let's turn on the noise cancellation and see how good it actually does. There's a little button on the transmitter that you just press. And when the light turns green, that means that the noise cancellation is on. So on the microphone itself and on the transmitter, it's gonna have a green light, noise cancellation's on. Blue light means it's off, and red light just means it's not connected. But hopefully now you can see the difference. I just turned it on. Noise cancellation at minus 40 dB, that's the strongest. There's a weaker one at minus 15 dB as well, but this is the strongest, and hopefully it's just drowning out all of that background noise. The AC can be on and it's not picking it up as I'm speaking. I'll turn the noise cancellation off now and maybe you can notice a difference. It's on right now. Let me turn it off. Now it's off. Can you hear the difference now? Hopefully you do. Back to the application, you have 2 recording modes to choose from, a mono and a stereo mode. You also have a safety track option, which records an additional track at a lower gain, just in case your audio starts to clip. because maybe your gain is too high or you're speaking too loud. You have that safety track there in place so that your whole audio recording isn't just a waste of time. You even have EQ settings that allow you to dial up the audio recording or the sound recording to exactly what you want it to be. There's also some presets there, but if you just prefer to play with the settings and put it at exactly where you want it, that's available as well. All of this in such a small package. I mean, just look at how small this microphone is. It's tiny. There's also a built-in clip so you can attach it to your shirt. Now, one thing that I wish Boya did with the Boya Mini 2 was include built-in magnets so that you can easily attach it to your shirt like I have it here. I had to actually use a separate magnet. There is like a metal plate built into the microphone itself, so you can attach it the way I have it here. But it would be nice if there was built-in magnets already included inside the package. That way you don't have to go and find a separate magnet to use with the Boya Mini 2. Hopefully we get that with the Boya Mini 3. It's not a huge deal because there is a workaround, but I thought I'd just mention it here. But so far, I've been really happy with the Boya Mini 2. It's literally plug and play. Everything just works right out of the box. You take it out, you plug it into your phone or your iPad or your laptop, it connects, and it's convenient. It's portable. The sound is really robust, especially for the size. Boya calls it studio quality sound. And in my testing, it sounds clear and crisp. The microphone itself has an included foam cover to eliminate plosives, and it's just an all-around excellent wireless microphone, especially when you consider the price. And let's get into the price. Everything in this package, $60. That is by far just a fantastic deal. If you're looking for a wireless lav mic, which is definitely something you should consider, having wired lav mics just doesn't give you the flexibility that you need. Having something wireless is the future. This is honestly something I definitely recommend, and I think you should definitely check out. I'll leave a link to the Boya Mini 2. Also, Boya is giving a special discount on the Boya Mini 2 that was literally just released. So I'll include the link and also the discount code so you can get this Boya Mini 2 for even cheaper than that regular price of $60. I'll include all of that in the description below. And let me know what you think. How does the microphone actually sound? Is this something that you would actually use in creating content or recording video? Let me know with a comment down below. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos just like this one on tech news, reviews, and opinions, make sure you're subscribed to the channel. Hit that notification bell so you don't miss any of our new videos, and I'll see you on the next one.